Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a thumbnail on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and from here we're going to select our frame in our video that we would like to export as a thumbnail. So in my case, I think I would want this one right here. Maybe this one. Yeah, I think this is already good, just for an example. And then from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some text just to make it look like a thumbnail, just like that. And let's say this is Japan right here, so I'm just gonna go and align this one right there. And by the way, if you can find the essential graphics, it's right here in the windows, and make sure you have your essential graphics right here. And yeah, right there. So I think this is already done for me in my case. So of course you can always add more if you want to. So in my case, I just want to add some Japan right here, just some text to make it look like a thumbnail right here. So it's very easy so that we can get fast with this tutorial. And then once you are done with your thumbnail, you have added everything that you want to add, then you want to click on the camera button right here so that you can export this frame right here as a thumbnail. Click on that, and then you can now name that. So let's say sample thumbnail. And then you can choose the format. So in my case, I'll just recommend you go for PNG or JPEG, since this is just a thumbnail. Right there, I go for PNG, and then I'm gonna go for browse and select my path in which or where I would want it to be saved. In my case, I'll go for pictures and select folder. And then now I can go click on OK. And then it would be automatically saved in my local storage right here. So I can just show you right here. So I have the sample thumbnail right here, and I can just click on it right here, and now it would open automatically just like this one. So now we have made a simple thumbnail in Premiere Pro. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.